Welcome to ProGuard 2.0 Part 2 installation. In this part, we will install our new offering for frunk leakages and dust protection. Kit comes with three main modules: ABS plastic moldings, rubber pad, and unfastened stick. Let's start plugs detaching. Now unwrap the moldings and start pulling the rubber pad on them, starting from the side. Cut the rest of the rubber pad, flip the setup upside down, and peel off the tapes on each molding. Now carefully place it in the holes that were unveiled on the hood. Each part has its latches. Apply slight pressure and attach them to the hood. Both latches and sealing would keep the front guard safely secured. Congratulations! Take a look at the tests we have done. Before front guard, as you can see, there are visible water leakages. After front guard installation, underhood space is completely dry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to order your ProGuard kit on TeslaHubs.com